5 Advantages of a cross-platform app. When creating an app, figuring out the right way to develop it is one of the biggest decisions you have to make. It can affect not only your project's budget and timeline, but also your ability to keep your app bug-free over time. At SDev Technologies, our expertise isn't limited to native, web progressive, and hybrid apps. We can also do cross-platform ones, which, in many cases, are the perfect choice. If you compare the merits of cross-platform app development versus native, web progressive, and hybrid ones, you'll discover that the advantages of making your app universally compatible with all platforms are the following. Fast development speed. Taking the cross-platform development route means you can put your app on the market in no time. Developers have plenty of tools at their disposal to help them get the job done quickly without cutting corners. Plus, they can use the same code for all operating systems, shortening the amount of time needed to finish the project. Less cost. What's the mobile app development cost in the Philippines? It ranges from $5,000 to $500,000. That's a lot of money. So if you're on a budget, going with the cross-platform approach may be the cheapest way to professionally build your app from scratch. Since its development process is simple and involves a shared codebase, it can significantly reduce your expenses. Consistent aesthetics. Brand loyalty is strong among smartphone owners, but some still like to switch between Android and iOS occasionally. One thing that could annoy these users is when an app would look and feel distinctly on different platforms. Although they might not make a big fuss about learning how to navigate an unfamiliar user interface, most would probably choose to not have to go through it. If design consistency is important to you, a cross-platform app is the way to go. Wide reach. Developing a cross-platform app enables rapid user base expansion at a reduced cost. By creating a single app version, it becomes accessible for installation on any device, irrespective of the user's platform. A large user base can translate to more revenue. So, a cross-platform approach is an avenue worth exploring to get your app installed on as many devices as possible. Seamless update implementation. Implementing changes to a single app iteration that works on all platforms is much easier than rolling out updates for multiple versions dedicated to different OSes. If you want to fix your app's issues efficiently, make it cross-platform. Understanding the benefits and drawbacks of cross-platform app development versus native, hybrid, and web progressive ones early on matters to make sure that your project finishes on schedule and on budget. Get in touch with us at SDev today to discuss what app development approach makes sense for you and get a quote.